I think I'm now qualified. I can look for work to drive this excavator. This marks the much-awaited commencement of the National Matabeleland Zambezi Water Pipeline Project. The Zambezi Water Project was identified way back in 1912 as a long-term solution to the water challenges faced in Matabeleland North, Matabeleland South, and the Bulawayo provinces. This project, the Zambezi Water Pipeline Project, will not serve North, Bulawayo, and South province alone. It will go beyond those three provinces. Let me assure you that this Zambezi Water Project, Zambezi Water Pipeline Project, will become a reality during my administration. As you may recall, the National Matabeleland Zambezi Water Project involves various phases. These include the construction of the Shangani Dam, the construction of a pipeline from the dam to Bulawayo City, and finally the construction of another pipeline which will draw water from the Zambezi. We are already 40% of the construction of the Shangani Dam, and we have begun the trenching of the pipeline to Bulawayo from Shangani Dam. The completion of these independent but interlinked projects will ultimately spur economic production, productivity, and growth, as well as permanently resolving water challenges often experienced in the region. The first stage of the project, which is the construction of Shangani Dam, is already underway and on course, with a total of 4.5 billion Zimbabwe dollars allocated for the project in the current financial budget. The dam will be completed by December this year.